अल शादाय आणि गोवा एथलेटिक असोसिएशन मिळून 5 फेब्रुवारीक तांची 6वी गोवा मॅरेथॉन सर्त घेता. वेगवेगळ्या गटात मिळून 5,000 लोक वांटो घेतले म्हूण आयोजक म्हणटात. पणजे सर्ती सुरू जातल्यो आणि हाफ मॅरेथॉन बांयगिणी मेरेन वचून परत येतली. 10 किलोमीटर, 5 किलोमीटर आणि स्कूल रन अश्यो वेगवेगळ्यो रेसी आसात. जिखतल्यांक कॅश इनामाय दवरल्यात.
The race is for 21 kilometers half marathon, 10 kilometers run, 5 kilometers dream run, and we have school runs for under 14 and under 16 years, boys and girls. 25,000 first prize. Second is 15,000. Third is 10,000. 21 kilometers. And fastest Goan men we are giving 10,000. Same for women. AFI has approved this marathon. And Mr. Raja Velu from Karnataka and Mr. Kishore Shinde from Maharashtra has been appointed as a technical delegates for this marathon.
Last year we had about 3,500 participants, and this year we are expecting about 5,000 participants to come and participate in the run.
The main cause of this marathon is to raise funds for the children who are in need of shelter and really education. So this is the main cause, and the second thing is to promote health conscience among the general public.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.